Hey digital explorers, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the ocean of social media secrets and digital strategies. Today we're unlocking the mystery behind stagnant follower counts and how to get those numbers climbing again. So buckle up and let's get started. First off, let's understand what Facebook's professional mode is all about. It's a feature designed for personal profiles allowing content creators to access tools and insights similar to what pages offer. This includes detailed analytics, the ability to earn money, and crucially, the options to have more than 5,000 followers, which is the limit for standard personal profiles. So, to turn on the Facebook professional account, open your Facebook account, tap on your profile, then tap on three dots, and here you will find Turn On Professional Mode. Tap on it, tap on Turn On, and here you'll be asked whether you want to set default post audience to public or not. Toggle on it, then tap on continue. Many creators encounter the first major hurdle when they reach 5,000 followers. It's a common misconception that once you hit this number, your follower count will automatically continue to grow. However, transitioning from a personal profile to a more public profile or creator status requires some strategic shifts. Now let's dive into the strategies to help you push your follower count beyond the 5,000 threshold. Strategy 1, focus on creating engaging content. Strategy 2, be consistent. Strategy 3, collaboration and promotion. Strategy 4, engage with your community. Strategy 5, utilize Facebook ads. By implementing these strategies, you not only increase your chances of breaking through the 5,000 follower limit but also build a more engaged and loyal following. Remember, growth on social media is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, persistent, and keep innovating. That wraps up today's guide on how to increase your followers in Facebook's professional mode. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media strategies and tips.